What could a melted chocolate bar possibly have to do with a revolutionary kitchen appliance? In the 1940s, Percy Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon, noticed the chocolate in his pocket had melted while he was testing a magnetron. Intrigued, he experimented further, placing popcorn kernels near the device. They popped. An egg exploded in a coworker's face during another test. Spencer realized that microwaves emitted by the magnetron could cook food. This discovery led to the invention of the microwave oven, transforming how we prepare meals. What began with a gooey pocket turned into a household essential.